What's up, Royals? Welcome back to Tonitra's Garden. In today's video, I'm going to be potting up some lavender and putting this rosemary where it goes. So we're just going to do a swap. I'm going to put the lavender in this container and put the rosemary in the herb garden right next to me. And we're just going to chat. So let's do it. So this morning I went and got some more fertilizer. I wasn't too crazy over the one that I bought from Walmart. It's called Expert Garden Tomato and Vegetable Garden. I just didn't like I didn't like the little pebbles. So I got this one, Garden Tone. I'm gonna use a little bit of this in when I pot up this lavender. Hey girl, you're gonna have to move, girl. Watch out. Allie girl is down here doing the most. Okay, so I've got my pot. I gotta scavenge. Is it scavenge? I have to go scrounge up some soil for this pot because I left my bag of soil at my mom's house because I needed my trunk space. So I'll have to go get that later this week. So let's go find some soil. I have a little corner left in this bag. Let's see how far we get. Okay, not very far. Let's see what else we can find. I got this grow bag over here. The soil is pretty dry. Actually, I'm gonna use some of this soil out of this container. I have strawberry plants in these, but two of the plants didn't do so well, so I think this side will be enough. Okay, so I have pot, soil. I'm gonna have to dig this plant out. Ooh, okay, so I have my lavender plant. I'm just gonna place her right there. So this is lavender and this is rosemary. At the store, they had this marked as rosemary and I picked it up. I didn't smell it or anything, so that was my fault, but yeah, I just wanted to chat. I know I haven't posted in a few days. We've been under the weather recently. I had a stomach virus. It went through the whole family, so we're just now getting back to our normal selves. I'm still a little under the weather, but I'm feeling much better. I actually went to lunch with my girls earlier today, so that was fun. We had some Mexican food and we just chatted and caught up on life because life is lifing. So yeah, it was fun to just get out and enjoy some fresh air. It's a nice day. It's not sunny out, but it feels good. It's not too hot. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a scoop of this fertilizer in here and mix it in. But yeah, that was fun. I don't go out often. I'm always in my garden, so it's a nice change of scenery for the afternoon. But yeah, I've been thinking about the garden, and I don't know if you guys remember, but I wasn't sure if I was moving this spring or not, and I think we've decided we're gonna stay. So that means more garden projects. I wanted to put another raised bed out here. I know that's crazy, a raised bed is not permanent, but permanent, but I think it'll be worth it for another year. I think I have enough time to plant a few things and get some harvest. So I've been thinking about putting another raised bed in here, one of the larger Vego raised beds right in front of this office desk, garden desk, just because I'm really liking growing in the raised beds. They really do well. I like growing in pots and grow bags, but raised beds are just, I think raised beds are where it's at. Now, I haven't tried gardening in ground, doing like vegetable gardening in ground yet. I'll probably do that when we get a house or something, and I know that I'm gonna, you know, be there for quite some time. But I did want to add an extra raised bed. What do y'all think? So then I would have 3 raised beds, 2 large ones and 1 small one, which is Adonis's. And I feel like I could get a ton more. I feel like I could grow a ton more if I get 1 more. So that's what I'm thinking about. And I'm also thinking about revamping my patio. I'm going to do that. That's not even a thought. Sorry, I'm over here making a mess. I'm thinking about revamping my patio and revamping like the area where the water hose is. I'll show you guys in a second. Yeah, revamping these spaces and just, sorry, y'all are all over the place. And just making it, you know, more usable space. Because right now I'm just really disorganized and it's kind of bothering me. It's bothering me. Okay, this is a little high. Let me take some of the soil out. Okay, I think that looks better. Okay. So look at her. This is my first time growing lavender. This one fell off. And I'm super excited. Oh my goodness. What can you do with lavender? If you have any ideas of how I can use lavender, let me know down in the comments below. But I'll keep her in this pot for now, and then when she gets a little bigger, hey baby. Oh, Idris, one of my twins, they're 8 months. He loves to come to the window and look outside. He loves looking at the garden. So he's at the window banging on the window. Makes my whole day. I don't like to bring them out here because it's been a lot of flies out here lately. We have a mulberry tree right here, and the mulberries drop like in our garage area, so the flies are like feasting on all the mulberries. I might have to just spray that down because I'm like, I don't want flies. Maybe if it was butterflies, but not flies. So yeah, we've been having some flies going on. I don't want the babies out here with that. Okay, so she's planted. Now we are going to put this rosemary in our herb garden. So I'm gonna put her in this corner. I took out the lavender. And the herbs are really seeming to like this container. So I'm not having really any issues with anything. Ooh, look at those roots. She's ready to come out of this pot. Rosemary. Make a bigger hole. There we go. So this little herb garden has really been like trial and error. And I love that. I love that I get to share, you know, what's going on with things. And I'm glad that you guys can give me your opinions and that this is just a space where everyone can learn. Like, I really do like that, because we have a lot of seasoned gardeners that are tuned in and subscribed, a lot of seasoned royals that are, you know, that have a lot of knowledge, and I'm never one to feel like I know everything, because I definitely don't. I'm a fairly new gardener. I've been gardening since 2020. So people, I guess people could say a pandemic gardener, in which I don't mind, because that is the truth. So yeah. Yeah, everything is looking lovely. My purple basil is a little shaded, but that's okay. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so we popped her right in there, and I think she'll love her new home. And yes, all my plants are she's for now. Until I feel like a plant is a he. I don't know when that'll happen, but yeah, this is what the herb garden is looking like. Wonderful. This parsley is loving. Don't judge my backyard, but this is the space that we're working with. And I feel like a raised bed would fit perfectly in this little area. And I really do need it, because I'm always putting grow bags right in this little area. And I think a raised bed would actually be better. So that's what I'm thinking. Let me know what you think. We got our sunflowers. Those are doing well. I don't know why this already looks like it's trying to bloom, but maybe those are just leaves coming out. I'm not sure. So this is the area that I want to revamp. I do like using this area, but I don't like its functionality right now. I feel like I need some bricks or something in here so that I'm not stepping on weeds and stuff. I would like to store like my watering containers and stuff, and maybe a few other things. But yeah, I want to revamp this little section. Nothing crazy, just something very simple and cheap. When I figure that out, I'll let you know, like some inspiration or something, but we'll see. So yeah, those are my plans for the garden. Hey girl, you want to be on camera? You want to be seen today. Look at this girl. You better be nice. Those are my plans that I want to work on coming up soon. The raised bed, I probably won't work on that until the fall, but you know, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I need to weed eat. The grass is growing like crazy, so I have to do another garden cleanup video, motivation video. Y'all seem to like those, so I'm gonna do another one of those. All right, Royals, I will see you in my next video. Bye.